How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a POV on this beautiful Mercedes AMG G63 Carbon Edition. Wow, I must say the front of this thing is my favorite angle. It just looks very aggressive, a lot of presence. This one is running on Pirellis. Check out the brake caliper, massive red brake caliper, nice AMG alloy wheels, side profile of the car, exhaust tips on the side. The specification on this one is very nice. I don't know the exact name to this metallic blue color, but I must say it's a very nice color. When you open and close these doors, very tactile. Oh yeah. Come into the cabin of the car. Right, this one's finished with red leathers, high spec Burmester surround sound system, carbon edition, carbon on the steering wheel, on the center dash. I've done a full in-depth review on this thing. Click up on the pop-up banner, it'll take you straight there to watch that. Today is more of a POV for you guys to just see and experience how it feels being behind the wheel of a G-Wagon. I'm not going to be speaking much today. I'm just going to be letting the car do the talking. And yeah, let's get it fired up and hit the road. I must say, floating in the air, because this right now feels like I'm floating in the air. It feels so good. It's just a different experience, you know, when you sat higher up, because I'm used to being in hatchback cars and a big mighty 4x4 like this. It's just a surreal feeling. Like you could cruise around in this and not get bored. You know, it's a statement car. It's a car you want to pull up in and be like, yeah, man's in a big G63 here. Just check out the bonnet from the windscreen. Wow. Lovely day for it today. Yes, the boys, come on. Nice countryside, nature. We do love nature. Our famous lake that we have local to us. One big thing I like about this car is the fact that you don't get any road noise whatsoever. The cabin's so nice and quiet. In most cars you hear a lot of the road, especially being in UK. The roads are not the best here. It doesn't matter what the road is, because this is capable as an off-roader. Right, so we've got sand, trail, or even rocks. Should we go rock climbing, boys? Yeah. Now I'm gonna zip my mouth and let the car do the talking, guys. Hope you all enjoy the V8 by Turbo. Oh yeah. sounds unbelievable, man. I've got all 4 windows down, and because the exhaust is on the side, you're just getting that V8 sound coming. Ooh, oh, it sounds nuts, man. Wow, that was a very nice ride. That concludes this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. Big up my cameraman Drive Trek Visuals. We're bringing that fire content for you. We'll see you in the next one.